Mama, if you just learned that your fetus or baby has a heart defect, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what to do next, step by step. I know this news can feel overwhelming, confusing, and even scary. You may wonder if you did something wrong, but I want you to know this. You didn't cause this. You didn't cause your baby condition. So the first step that you have to do is to take a moment to process the diagnosis. Yes, the first thing you need to do is to take the time you need to thoroughly process the diagnosis. There is no right way to react, and there is no timeline to how you should feel. Mamas know that learning about your baby's heart condition is an ongoing process. So the second step will be to understand the diagnosis. So focus on understanding what's going on with your baby heart. So ask your doctor to explain to you in the simplest term your baby condition. So before your next appointment, write down your questions. For example, you might want to know what exactly is the heart defect that your baby has, okay? You might want to know also what care or treatment will your baby need after birth. You might want to know how often will you have ultrasound or checkup and what you can do during pregnancy to support your baby growth. Because understanding your diagnosis helps you feel more confident and less overwhelmed. So the third step will be to seek specialized fetal care. So when a heart problem is found on ultrasound, the next step is specialized fetal care. So this means that you have to see a team that cares for babies before they are born. So at one of your first visits, usually have a fetal echocardiogram. So a fetal echocardiogram is a detailed ultrasound of your baby's heart. It is safe and painless. It usually takes about 1 hour. And after that, you may meet with a high-risk pregnancy doctor, a baby heart doctor, a newborn specialist, or other trained team members, depending on your case. So they will explain how a normal heart works, show you what is different in your baby's condition. They might talk about the care before and after birth. They will help you also plan the delivery and the newborn care. So mama, know that you will likely have more ultrasounds and follow-up visits before birth. And that's totally normal, okay? It helps the team plan ahead. So the fourth step will be to build your support team. Mama, you don't have to face this alone. So choose people who can support you, like your trusted family and friends, or a support group from mamas who understand heart defects, or this channel, Healthy Pregnancy Guide. Because support gives you the strength, gives you clear information and reassurance that you need during this time. The fifth steps, but not the least, will be to take care of yourself. So mamas, after receiving your baby diagnosis, you can be very stressful. And study shows that long-term stress increases your cortisol levels. And we know that high cortisol level can make your body more insulin resistant. Thus, the more insulin resistant you have, thus you are at risk of gestational diabetes. And this will affect your baby growth and development. So that's why caring for your mental health is part of caring for your baby. Find simplest way to manage your stress, like journaling, for example, listening to music, going for a short walk, meditating, or deep breathing. So in my own high-risk pregnancy journey, what helped me the most was gospel music, positive affirmations, and journaling. So mamas, do what brings you peace. Even small moments of calm make a huge difference. So mama, you don't have to fix everything in one day. Focus on one step, one appointment, one day at a time. Know that you are doing the best you can for your baby, and that matters. If this video helped you, subscribe to Healthy Pregnancy Guide for clear guidance, practical tips, and compassionate support as you're navigating a high-risk pregnancy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.